Good morning, all my dear children. Children, today we will start true and false from the chapter 10, that is water pollution. Children, you have to read this statement. If this statement is true, you have to write true, and if the statement is false, you have to write false. So let's start. Write true or false for the following statements. First is, river water is the purest form of water. Children, this statement is false because river water is not the purest form of water. Now come to the second. Polluted water may contain dust, germs and smoke. This statement is true because polluted water contains dust, germs, smoke and many other substances. So you have to write true. Third is, throwing domestic waste in rivers causes water pollution. This statement is also true. You have to write true because throwing domestic waste causes water pollution. If we throw domestic waste in river water, the water will get polluted. So this statement is true. Next is, fourth is, increased growth of microorganism in water increases the amount of oxygen for aquatic animals. This statement is false because increased growth of microorganism in water reduce the supply of oxygen for aquatic animals. So this statement is false. Next is, use of chemical fertilizers helps in preventing water pollution. This statement is false because if we use chemical fertilizers, it will cause water pollution and water will get polluted. So we should minimize the use of chemical fertilizers to prevent the water pollution. So this statement is false. Children, this is your classwork. You have to write it down in your science notebook neatly. And your assignment is, paste some pictures which cause water pollution. This is your homework. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.